I can't believe that 2022 is coming to an end, and I have some friends behind me who can't believe it either. But thank you so much from the bottom of our heart for your support this past year. It's because of you that we're inspiring the next generation of leaders to be stronger, smarter, and bolder. We have a vision of a sustainable organization that has a resilient culture and a thriving community, and your dollars truly make a difference. So thank you again, and I hope you have a happy and healthy new year.